What's going on, everybody? Chanel Stevens here, and in this video I just want to show you the easiest way to get to $100,000 with CPA marketing. Now the reason I'm saying this is the easiest way is because I know for sure 100% because it's the way I took to make my first $100,000 with CPA marketing. So you know, in this video I give you the real, I give you what I actually done, I give you my experience, my techniques, not no guru or anything. You're actually learning from just an actual real person who been in the field and had to learn the hard way, had to lose thousands of dollars, who got my up online for, you know, a couple years before I was actually able to actually make it and be a success. And now, you know, that's what I created this channel for. I started my private group. So if you haven't done so, join my Mogul Academy group. Also, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna be dropping videos for the rest of the year, trying to help you guys really close out this fourth quarter, all right? So what I just wanna do is just jump on my laptop here, and because I have some offers actually pulled up, and basically show you the method and the technique that I was using. Now, in my previous video, I'm not sure how many weeks back or maybe even months, it was a video called The Fastest Way to $10,000. Now I want you to actually watch that video after this video. So what I'm actually do at the end of this video, I'm gonna put, it's called an end card when you include a video at the end of the video that's playing right now. So I'm gonna include that on this actual video, an end card, and what you need to do is just watch that video so you can kind of see like the breakdown. So this is kind of like a part 2 to that video, I would say, but I said $10,000. This right here, I'm just gonna say it, this got me to 6 figures within my first year trying CPA marketing, all right? Because I was doing all this different stuff online, and then I focused on CPA marketing, and this is exactly the easiest way that you're gonna be able to do it. So I got some offers pulled up. This is one of my first CPA networks, AdWork Media. Now, AdWork Media, I didn't have no payment history. I never got paid. I didn't have a website. I didn't have nothing. And they accepted me to this network. I didn't even have to do a phone interview or anything. Not saying they don't do phone interviews. I don't want to say anything like that. I'm just saying this was a really, really easy network to get into. So if you're not in any CPA networks, I advise you right now, get accepted to AdWork Media. Maybe I'll even include a link below this video so that you can just sign up as a referral from me. All right, so what I want to go ahead and do is just basically break down the type of offers that I was able to use that got me to $100,000 very, very, very fast, right? So basically, I was using offers that were cost per lead, single opt-ins, double opt-ins, one-page submits, one field submits, and short forms. And I've also been able to convert long forms as well. So really, those are my favorite type of offers. I'm gonna break those down, why I think that is the easiest way to get to 100,000 and why do I believe it's the easiest way. Now we can just see right here, I have just some United States offers pulled up right here, and you can see like basically they're just really, really simple offers. So you could click on the offer right here and you can see like a screenshot is just usually just getting somebody to sign up. So this is a double opt-in requirement. So double opt-in, DOI, you may see that on many different networks. And basically what it means is the person has to sign up for something, then go back to their email and hit confirm that they actually signed up. So it's like a confirmed opt-in, so double opt-in. But once they go back to their email and confirm that email, and with this offer, you'll get paid $2.10. Now, I just wanna go ahead and say it for everybody out there. I made my first $100,000 with offers that didn't even pay over $4. My first $100,000 came from offers that didn't pay over $4. So that just goes to show you the power of low payout offers. One of the offers I had was like a $2.50 offer, and I really ran that one up. So guys, you can make a ton of money on this. As you can see, the EPC on this $2.10 offer right here, the EPC for the network is $1.32. So this just shows you the power of this type of offer. It has a 27% conversion rate. So it's converting very, very, very high because why? It's an easy conversion. All the person has to do is just sign up. As you can see here, they sign up and it tells them sign up and get $5 now. That's a pretty good bribe. That's a pretty good way to get people to come opt in. And once they actually go back to their email and click, you know, confirm, yes, I signed up for this, you automatically get paid. Tell me that's not easy. That's very, very, very easy. So you can use offers like that, you know, Facebook search ads, things like that. And there's tons of other offers. We can actually use our instant search feature right here. It's a cool thing about AdWork Media, and you can just like type in some things like CPL, or maybe SOI, or maybe DOI, or you know, things like that. So let's just go in the instant search feature and just do one of my favorite offers right here. So let's do a single opt-in offer. So this is an offer where you get paid for single opt-in. So a person just has to enter in like their email or something like that. So we could just find something that credits at actual email submit. So you can see this one is email submit, this one email submit. You can just see here, this Panda Research, really simple offer right here. But it's a really simple offer because we can just open it up and you can just see instantly qualify for a $3 survey, get paid $3 to $75 for each survey. So once a person just enters their name and email and agrees to start wanting to take these surveys, you get paid $1. So all you have to do is go out there through search traffic, even social traffic, if you can get some type of video or something to go viral, and all they have to do is enter their name, email, I agree, and begin survey, and you'll actually get paid for this actual offer. So that's a really simple offer. And then now you can see like why these offers are my favorite and why I say this is the easiest way to make money with CPA marketing, because what you can do is, all you can do is focus on these offers that have a low point of conversion. Just an email, or we can come back here. You know, a lot of them email submits. You can see second page right here. You can see first page right here. Some of them are third page. So, I mean, of course, third page would probably be a little harder to convert than just the simple first page or just an email submit, but they're still worth it. And I don't want you to discount any other offers because they still work. So this is just me showing you like one of the easiest ways, but I don't want you to discount pay per sale, pay per call, free trial offers, rev share offers, anything, you know, etc. It's a bunch of different type of offers. So I don't want to sit here and just say, oh, you know, only single opt-in offers work, or these offers where it only requires just an email address. You know, there are ways where you can get people to convert really easy as well with these other offers. So don't just shut the gate. I'm just saying the easiest way, if you're just a beginner, you're just getting started, this is what I would really focus on. But just a one tip, I was trying to stick with an offer that actually has, you know, a higher EPC. So how we were seeing, like this offer right here, it's a really good offer. This will be one that I would actually set up and run. And you know, you can set up, you can see just like how much traffic this site actually gets, stuff like that. So you can see it gets 6 million people per month. So it's a really hot offer. And this is just for the United States. But even though it's a double opt-in, it's still something that I would test out because it's really not hard to get somebody to just go confirm an email really fast. And also in my Mogul Academy, what I actually did was I included done for you campaigns. And then those done for you campaigns are the CPLs that I use to make well over 6 figures. And I actually included that in my actual academy, but that's something special for people that are actually in the academy. So if you're in the academy, I would advise you to test those offers out as well, because those really work. Those are the campaigns that I've used and tested personally. So that's for all my students that's actually watching this video. So guys, as I say, it's a hot offer. If you're not in AdWords Media, I advise you get in AdWords Media. You can go set up this campaign. I advise you set it up with search traffic, social traffic, something that where you can get clicks for less than $1, which is on both of those platforms. Now you may be new to CPA marketing, not understand like really how to get started and everything like that. So what I went ahead and did was I created a free training workshop below this video. So it's the first link in the description below, and it's actually a free workshop where I'm gonna be going over the 3 steps to making 6 figures, $100,000 plus with CPA marketing. So you can check that out right after this video, and it'll be the first link below in the actual description. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, drop a sub if you're new. That's all I got for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next. Peace.